Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this video we're going to go over the graphic organizer for the positive and negative outcomes of the French Revolution. It's on the back of your note paper under your OPCVL chart. It says graphic organizer and you'll see 3 blank bullet points. The ATL skill we're focusing on here is using a variety of organizers for academic writing tasks. So what we're going to do for this particular one, filling in this chart, I'm going to be showing you a list of 6 outcomes of the revolution. And this came from your notes, both the document that you analyzed and the notes on the first page. And we'll evaluate each reason and sort it into positive or negative outcomes. Now, there's not necessarily a 100% correct, you must have 3 on this side and then a certain 3 on the other side. Some of them will kind of depend on your perspective of your notes. A couple of the responses are pretty heavy leaning positive or heavy leaning negative. So you get to decide which one belongs where. Alright, we know from our document that one of the outcomes was that people were not allowed to monopolize food. There had to be more of kind of a free market economy situation in terms of food. So you'll look at this bullet point and decide which column you would like it to go into. Do you think this is a positive outcome or a negative outcome? Pause the video and write your response now. The second bullet point here, another outcome of the French Revolution is that lots of people died, and lots of people died by the guillotine, including the monarch, the king, and the queen. Overall, this was not good for global stability of a particular nation. So go ahead and pause the video and write where this one belongs in your chart. Our third outcome, in the end, France still had a monarch. They had Napoleon. He called himself emperor, but in essence he was the singular ruler. And this was the very thing they were trying to get rid of or escape, and they ended up with it again. Go ahead and pause your video and write this one in positive or negative. Fourth immediate outcome of the revolution was that the eventual leader, Napoleon, was supported by the public. Pause and write in your chart now. Fifth, we know that the Enlightenment, this movement of big ideas, spread even further. Pause the video and write in your chart. And finally, our last outcome that we'll write is that there was a real disconnect between the people and its leaders. Even though people supported Napoleon, they still didn't want a monarch or one person in charge, and so there was still some kind of miscommunication or disconnect between these two groups. Pause your video and write this one here. Alright, your whole chart for your graphic organizer should be filled out. If there are any other outcomes, negative or positive, of the French Revolution that you wanted to write down, feel free to do so. You can do that underneath, you can do that on the side, wherever it makes sense for you. Good job, and follow directions for the next step.